Okay, integration by substitution. So you want to use this when you can't use the reverse chain rule and when you can't use any trig rules. It's just when you have an uncomfortable substitution or an uncomfortable integral. So you can get given the substitution. So let's say you're given 2 over root x minus 4. So the integral of that dx. So, there's no easy way to integrate this. We can take the 2 out the front just to make that slightly nicer. But at the end of the day, there's only so much you can do with this. So, if we're given the substitution u equals root x, so you could be given this in the question. So now, we want to find each of these parts in terms of u. So first, we know that root x equals u, and then if we have just x first of all, that's going to be u squared. So if we have x minus 4, which is this part here, that's going to be u squared minus 4 is equal to x minus 4. So that's our second part. And then the third part we need to find is dx. So dx, we find that by du dx. So in other words, we're differentiating this root x. So if you differentiate root x, it's x to the half, so you times by the power and then take away 1. So it equals 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. And that's du by dx. We just want to find dx. So we're going to divide by this. So divide both sides by 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. So that becomes 2x to the positive 1/2 equals, du dx equals 1. And then we're going to times both sides by dx. We're going to treat the du by dx like a fraction. And then 2x to the half, or 2 root x, is equal to dx. So now we have dx, x minus 4, and root x. So we can substitute in integration by substitution. 1 over root x was u. X minus 4 is u squared minus 4. And here's the important part, dx now becomes 2 root x 2 root u